Hi, I'm Mridula and I'm excited to share my experience in the urban design studios at Georgia Tech. The first month of the fall semester focused on building a foundation in urban design and exploring Atlanta. We were tasked with drawing and measuring streets and intersections, which not only taught us urban design terminology and dimensions, but also helped us understand the variations in urban form across different parts of the city. The next phase of the studio began with a site visit to Savannah. Exploring the city's historic layout, public squares, and pedestrian friendly streetscapes gave us valuable insights into urban design principles in practice. Our studio professors, Richard Degenhardt and Cassie Branham, were instrumental in shaping our foundational knowledge in urban design. The studio was then split into two groups, each led by one of the professors. Richard's studio focused on Savannah and its challenges with sea level rise, while Cassie's studio, which I joined, focused on issues of racial inequality and injustice in Atlanta. A site visit to the west side of Atlanta highlighted problems like disinvestment and gentrification, prompting us to question how urban design can address these challenges. We developed our own programs and uses that would be most beneficial for the neighborhood, showcasing various test fits on site. The semester concluded with a final review featuring 10 unique projects, each presenting distinct ideas and perspectives. In the spring semester, led by Professor Ellen Dunham Jones, we focused on creating a livable, walkable, and sustainable built environment for Doraville, a city on the outskirts of Atlanta. Understanding the community's needs through stakeholder meetings was a key part of the process. We had the opportunity to work directly with the mayor and city commissioner, as well as engage in stakeholder meetings throughout the semester, which helped us balance our ambitious ideas with the community's immediate needs. We worked in pairs within 6 teams, which allowed us to incorporate diverse perspectives from different disciplines into our designs. A significant aspect of the semester was collaborating with students majoring in high performance buildings to integrate sustainable ideas into our designs. Quantifying the positive impacts of our designs was especially motivating. The semester concluded with a final review and a stakeholder meeting with the city. I am currently in my final semester working on an independent study. The option to pursue an independent study has allowed me to delve deeper into my interest in the environmental aspects of urban design. I'm currently working with the Georgia Conservancy, a non-profit urban design organization, and Richard Dagenhart to help develop a precursor to an urban design semester focused on flood resilience strategies in St. Mary's for the next term. Overall, my experience at Georgia Tech has been incredibly productive. I've had the opportunity to work on a range of projects that have helped me develop a holistic approach to urban design.